Principles of inheritance and variation. Important terms. Genetics. Genetics is the study of inheritance and variation, or the study of genes and chromosomes. Heredity. Heredity is the resemblance between offspring and their parents. Variation. It is the degree by which progeny differ from their parents. Inheritance. It is the process by which characters are passed on from parent to progeny. It is the basis of heredity. Dominant characters. The character which is expressed, it is indicated with a capital letter. Recessive character. The character which is suppressed, it is indicated with a small letter. Recessive. Homozygous. The condition in which chromosome pairs carry similar alleles of a gene. Example, capital T, small t, small t. Heterozygous, the condition in which chromosome pair carries dissimilar alleles of a gene. Example, capital T, small t. Phenotype, visible characters or physical expression of an individual. Genotype, genetic constitution of the character that is not visible. Father of modern genetics, Gregor J. Mendel. He experimented on Pisum sativum, that is garden pea. His experiments were conducted between 1856 to 1863. His reasons for success: application of statistical analysis and mathematical logic, large sampling size and meticulous record keeping. Year of publishing 1865. Year of rediscovery 1900. His work was rediscovered by Carl Correns, Dries von Schirmack. 7 pairs of contrasting traits in peas are plant height, flower position and flower color, seed shape, seed color, fruit shape and fruit color. Inheritance of one gene. Here, in a monohybrid cross T and small t, the gametes T and small t will give the F1 generation as T and small t, that is a monohybrid, and it is heterozygous. The next step in selfing, where T small t with T small t will give T small t and small t in a Punnett square, which was given by Reginald C. Punnett, a British geneticist. The phenotypic ratio here will be tall is to dwarf, that is 3:1, and genotypic ratio will be 1:2:1. Mendel's first law of dominance. Here, the characters are controlled by discrete unit called factors, which are now called genes. Factors occur in pairs. In dissimilar pairs, one factor dominates the other. It explains the expression of only one parental character in F1 and expression of both in F2. 3:2 ratio in F2. The exceptions to law of dominance are incomplete dominance and codominance, which we will see later. Incomplete dominance. Intermediate trait is formed. Here, example, snapdragon antirrhinum species. Here, capital R as red and small r as white is taken and mated, and we get capital R small r, which is a pink flower instead of a red in the F1 generation. Next we do selfing, and in a Punnett square we get capital R as red, capital R small r as pink, and small r as white. The phenotypic ratio here is 1:2:1 and genotypic ratio is 1:2:1, which is seen. And here next is codominance. Example, human blood group. Both alleles express themselves fully, and A and B alleles produce AB blood group. Next is multiple alleles. Example, human blood groups. Each human has 2 alleles for determination of blood group, but the population has 3 alleles in total. The next is Mendel's second law, that is law of segregation. During gamete formation, the 2 alleles of a gene must separate or segregate to move into different gametes. It is also called the law of purity of gametes. There are no exceptions to this law. Test cross, meeting with recessive parent in order to know the genotype of the plant. Example, capital T with small t will give us capital T and small t, which will show all tall. Next example, capital T with small t will give us capital T is to small t will give us tall is to dwarf 1:1 ratio. Back crossing of F1 hybrid back with any of the parent. Inheritance of 2 genes. Here the 2 characters are taken into consideration. Here in peas, for example, we take round yellow seeds and wrinkled green seeds as capital R, yes, and small r, small y respectively. This is a dihybrid cross. The gametes will be capital R, capital Y and small r, small y respectively. The F1 generation here will be capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Here they will be all round and all yellow, and it will be a dihybrid. The next step is selfing, and we get selfing of capital R, capital Y, small y with itself, and we get the following outcome. The phenotypic ratio will be round yellow 9, 3 round and green, 3 wrinkled yellow and 1 wrinkled green. That will be 9:3:3:1. The genotypic ratio will be 1:2:1:2 to 4:2:1:1. The next is Mendel's third law, which is the law of independent assortment. Here the alleles of genes located on different chromosomes assort independent of each other, as can be seen below. The exception in this case is the linkage. Pleiotropy, when a pair of alleles control more than one character or phenotype, it is known as pleiotropy. The example is phenylketonuria.